What's your real name, Goodbye? My name is Ann Curtis. Oh, next go, 2K. Sila naman. Sipag mo magpasa. L'Oreal. Good morning. Parang pag-gising nyo lang ako eh. Ano yung in-live? Charis. Ano, Rio? Ano yung in-live ito? Good morning eh. Bilis na. Bagal na eh. Na late. Are your parents bakers? Why? Chili pie. Cars mo. Medtech po. Ano trabaho mo tayo? Anong trabaho? Ang matulog. Thank you, good boy. Because you're outfit A, I'm correct. Streamer, ikaw. Not totally. Ano lang, nagla-live lang. Kaputin mo naman. Any amount lang po. Live lang. Random live. Mabait na. Ganun talaga. Kahit anong bait mo, may ganun talaga tao. May balik yan. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. Ang galing. I want to rant about my first girlfriend and kaya ang ganda mo, mi amor. Mi amor. Oh, what's
Hi,
up?
guys.
Hey, what's
Goodbye
up?
and good night.
What's up?
See you in my dreams. Mama, I like you.
How are you guys?
You're really
Follow back ID mo sa ano. Hindi siya naka